Good morning. So today is Monday. As you guys can see, I'm ready to go to the gym. So I'm trying to start my week off right, sis. So I'm going to the gym this morning, and then when I leave the gym, I want to go to a couple of stores. I need to get some body wash and some different little things like that. So of course you guys will come with me, but the next time that you guys see me, I'll probably be put together because I also have to do a mukbang today. So I have a full day today, but I'm gonna bring my dolls along with me. So let's go to the gym. So we're going in Michael's first. Yeah, so this is where I get my fruit that's in my little canisters on my counters. Everybody always think they're real. I got them from here. Oh, look at these. Really didn't have that much cute fall stuff. I was looking for like some cute little bowls or something for, you know, Thanksgiving and stuff. They skipped Thanksgiving and went straight to Christmas. So money hungry. All right, y'all, so I'm all cleaned up. I'm getting ready to do a mukbang here shortly. My shopping experience today was not that fun because I couldn't find anything. Y'all know when you want to shop, that's when you can't find nothing. So I wasn't able to find anything that interesting, but I'll show you what I did find. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up was 4 pillows. These are supposed to be like some luxury pillows, but we'll see, because I usually pick up my pillows from Walmart and have to buy them like every month, but these are supposed to be luxury. So I bought 2 2 king size, and it's supposed to be ultra soft, the luxury twin pack. So that is the first thing that I picked up. Now y'all know I went to TJ Maxx, I went to Big Lots. I couldn't find anything. I went to TJ Maxx, I went to Home Goods. I just had like no luck today, so I just was like, you know what, screw it, I'll try again next week, or I'll try like Thursday, because I think Thursday is when Home Goods restock all of their items, like they get new stuff in. So I'll try Home Goods again on Thursday. But I picked up my favorite soap, which is Dove. Then this is the face wash that I use, the Aveeno Clear Complexion. I've been using this forever, okay, forever. And then I picked up another thing of the Aveeno. This is the daily scrub, the skin brightening daily scrub. So I've never tried this before, so I wanted to give this a try. And then the last thing that I picked up is this cute little martini glass. Is this like a martini glass? I think so. But it's really cute. Martini glass, margarita glass, I don't know, but it's a cute glass. So I picked up 2 of those. I have to, anytime I find some cute glasses, I always try to get like a little set. You know, I have my brother over here, or me and my husband want to have a cute little drink, but usually my husband won't drink out of something like this. But y'all know Ryan is here for it, okay? This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is the orange color corrector. So this one is good for dark spots on your face. So I picked this one up. And it seems like every time I get this color, like I lose it. I don't know what happens to it. And then I picked up some of the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. And this is in color Cappuccino. And this is in the color Mocha. So yeah. So that's all I picked up today. Now I'm getting ready to finish cooking my food for my mukbang. So I'll show y'all what it looks like when I'm done. Tried to put like some little waves in my hair. It didn't work, y'all. I don't know. I'm like terrible with the hot curlers. Like seriously, I started to buy some new ones yesterday just to like give myself like some little waves or whatever, because I'm kind of over this hair. Like I'm ready to get something different. And I tried to put some waves in it, but I don't know. So right now I'm getting ready to go to Walmart because I'm hungry and I don't have anything to eat in the house. So I do have some salmon, but I think I want some like a stir fry or maybe a salad or something like that. So I need to just go grab something to eat because I haven't had anything to eat yet. It's about 1:30. So I'm gonna head to Walmart. If you guys are wondering what's on my lips, I had picked this Ruby Kisses Forever Matte in the color Oh Boy. It's like a cute little brown. And then I used some L'Oreal. Let me get the color. Hold on, I need to clean up my room because it is junky. I plan on doing some cleaning when I get back today, but This is L'Oreal Bittersweet. I purchased this a while ago when I was staying at my old place, but it's pretty. I just put that in the middle. Just trying to come up with some cute little fall looks, you know. So I thought this looked cute. I just have on like some burgundy eyeshadow in that palette that I bought, the Profusion palette that I bought a while ago from Target. And I have on the color Groovy on my eyes. So I thought it looked cute. So let me sit y'all up here. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go run to Walmart really quick. I tried to take like Tuesday off. It was like the day that I decided I was gonna take off, but it never works out. Any days that I say that I'm gonna like make sure that I take some time for myself, I always end up working. So you know, I had to take a break and go down to the 2 days a week on my vlog channel because it just seemed like I was being pulled in every different direction you could think of. And I just, at that time, I couldn't handle everything that I had going on. But I'm all caught up now, thank God. So I can get back on my regular scheduled program. But you guys know that me and my brother Ryan, we started a cooking channel together, which I love so very much because, first of all, y'all know Ryan is like my best friend. Like, I love my brother so much. And we always have fun together. We always have fun cooking. We always have fun sharing different ideas and different things like that. So that channel means so much to me, y'all. Like, I'm just so happy that we can do that together, and I know it's gonna be big. Like, I really do feel like that channel is gonna do very well. But right now we're only recording once a week because y'all know Ryan still has his full-time job and he can't come over as much. And then he also has his mukbang channel. So, you know, we just trying to get in the groove of things right now, and then maybe we can do 2 or 3 videos a week in the future. Because I mean, we cook all the time, and I could probably put up a few videos on my own, but because it's our channel, I do want it to be us together doing everything. So I don't know, we'll figure it out. We'll figure everything out. So I really need to clean up this place because it's a mess, okay? But y'all, I really need to look at a few YouTube videos on how to curl my hair because I just cannot get it. And I know some people say that you're supposed to curl your hair away from your face, but every time I try to do that, like, this is what I have. Like, it leaves me with this mess. So I don't know, you know, some people can just push it back and it stay. Mine never does that. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Cause I just want it to, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, be a little puffy in the top and just like something like this. I don't know. And y'all know for the longest time I've been wanting some color on my hair. And I'm always afraid to do it because I do my own hair. If you guys are new to my channel, I do my own hair. And I don't like messing with color. Like, I don't know too much about dyeing hair, bleaching hair. I do dye Lil Tony's hair, but that's easy. But I want like a 27, like 33, 27, something like that. Like, I want it to be brown, like at the bottom, like an ombre. But then I like when it has like a little bit of the blonder tips. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I saw this girl here on YouTube and I freaking love her hair. Like, I want my hair exactly like that. Like, it's gorgeous. So, but I can't do it myself, so I need to find somebody. I mean, it's so many different beauticians that I can find here in Jacksonville, but I don't know.
So y'all, this is how I'm rocking it today, child. I don't care. It might look food to y'all, but it's gonna have to do. So let me get some clothes on because I still have my robe on. I've been, I just finished my makeup, which I actually started to record me doing my makeup because a lot of you guys have been asking. I know that it's a lot of new people have been asking me to record me doing my makeup. But y'all have to know, sis, like, she's not a makeup artist, okay? I only know how to do my makeup. I'm not trying to be, you know, makeup Shayla or, you know, whoever else. I do what I can do, okay? And that's it. And sometimes it takes me a long time because I barely know how to do my own. So I started to do like my little fall look. So y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want to see that or not. But I'm getting ready to, like I said, go to Walmart so I can eat because I'm hungry. Like,
Yeah, so this is what I'm wearing to the store. Nothing fancy at all, but you guys told me that I need to start showing my outfits to you guys stuff a little bit more, so I'm gonna start doing that. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing, just like a little tank, my army fatigue tights, and just like a little cardigan. I haven't been outside today, so I'm not too sure on what it feels like, but I know that it's always cold in the store, so I just threw on this little cardigan. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing to the store. And a lot of you guys have been asking me about my shades. I ordered these shades from Amazon. I will try to have the link in the description box below for you guys. But yeah, just a quick little store run outfit, nothing major at all. Okay guys, so I'm back from the store. So I picked up one of the sweet kale salads from Publix, and I got myself a donut. So the glazed donut is for me and the chocolate donut is for little Tony. And yeah, this will be my lunch slash dinner.